Hey friends, if you encounter the error Visual C++ runtime error r6034 in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's what you have to do. Okay, open any browser and search for Microsoft C++, the distributable package. Okay, and then go to learn.microsoft.com, this option here. Click on Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019, 2022. Scroll down and select the x64 version unless you're using a 32-bit computer. In that case, the x86 one. Then click on Open. Click on Open here. Select Repair and it will be repaired. So this is one thing. And the next one will be to restart the computer. So right click on the Start button. Select Shutdown or Sign Out and then select Restart to restart the computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.